Let's transform those Looker Studio freelancing headaches into happy client testimonials. Delivering a stellar Looker Studio project on Fiverr isn't just about building a great dashboard. It's about building trust and exceeding expectations. So let's walk through how to do that, step by step. First, clear and prompt communication is key. Respond quickly to client inquiries, even if it's just to acknowledge you've received their message and are working on a detailed reply. Next, establish a rock-solid project plan. Outline the project scope, key milestones, and delivery dates up front with your client. Use Fiverr's messaging to document everything and ensure alignment. As you build the dashboard, provide regular updates to your client. Share screenshots, even short video clips showcasing your progress and addressing any questions they might have proactively. When the dashboard is complete, conduct a thorough quality check. Ensure all data connections are working, visualizations are accurate, and the dashboard is easy to understand and navigate. Now, for the delivery, provide a well-written delivery message summarizing the work completed, highlighting key features of the dashboard, and including clear instructions on how the client can access and use the dashboard. Finally, go the extra mile and offer post-delivery support. Be available to answer any questions the client may have and make any necessary revisions promptly. This builds trust and significantly increases the likelihood of a 5-star review and future projects.